Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Aqil Luqman bin Anas, and today I'll be presenting about my proposal final year project, which the title is the development of prototype and simulation testing for automatic bottle unscramble machine. My previous title is IoT monitoring system for material handling of mineral water bottle assembly line. My supervisor is Dr. Abdul Malik bin Abdul Wahab, and my co-supervisor is Dr. Sukarno bin Syed Abdullah. For introduction, this project is based on mineral water bottle manufacturer based in Johor, which is the Eagle Swipe Sdn Berhad. In like most bottle filling industries, same as this company, still use manual labor to sort and supply the bottle at the beginning of the production line. When this process can be changed to automation, which is important to increase the production rate. This is because human worker often can get tired and need a break compared to machine. And this unscramble machine is a machine that sorts, straightens, orients, positions, and transports any rigid object. This machine is built into packaging line in order to fit downstream operation. This automatic unscramble bottle machine also has a purpose to help ease people's job, such as the car, which can make people travel easier and faster. These automatic unscramble machines can help in the sorting process, and also it can sort the bottle to a proper position, which is the upright. So the problem statement for this project is, first, to change from the manual process to automatic process. This is because automatic process can reduce the human error and also can increase the productivity. And then we want to save the labor cost that will reduce the number of workers in sorting process. Third, we want to increase sorting and supply bottle flow rate to increase our production. So for the project objective, first, to develop a prototype of an automatic bottle unscramble machine. This is developed by using a 3D software, which is the SolidWorks. Then to optimize the design using Delmia Quest simulation software. Using this software to simulate the process of the design. And then after that, to analyze the efficiency of the automatic bottle unscramble machine by comparing the result of objective A and B. This is to determine which one of the design is much better. And then lastly, to apply the IoT monitoring system to automatic bottle unscramble machine. This is to connect from machine to machine and also from human to a machine, which is very simple and easy to use. Okay, for the scope of this project, first, to research on an automatic bottle unscramble machine. This is to know the mechanism and also the parts and the function of each part and what they can do when to design it, and then to determine the best design for the automatic unscramble machine. The best design is that are simple and also that are less cost, because more complex design can cost more. Third, the simulation using SolidWorks and Quest software. SolidWorks software is used to design a 3D prototype and also to simulate the functions of the parts. And then the Quest software is to simulate the process of the design. And then the fourth is the company Eagle Swaps in November Hut case study to increasing the production rate and this to reduce costs in the production line of their company. So for the literature review, first is the bottle unscramble machine. This has been used in most of the bottle filling industries. Bottle unscramble machine can help to increase the productivity and also to increase the production by increasing the production rate. Bottle unscramble machine uh, mostly use a turntable which can turn the bottle upright. And then the prototype simulation testing is the two methods that are used to determine the the effectiveness of the design. The most common use is the simulation testing because it is much cheaper than to make a real life prototype. And then machine optimization using Quest software. To optimize by using Quest software, uh, it is to simulate the process of the design, which we can analyze and also see which part that lacks of the function and we can optimize it. And fourth is the Internet of Things monitoring system, which are mostly used now to achieve the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which are more to automation factories. This IoT can be used on the phone which are connected to the machine and can make ease of the supervisor's job to monitor it from time to time. Okay, for the methodology of this project is firstly to define a problem and research on design. And then after the problem has been defined and the design has been researched, draft design sketch and idea based on the requirement that can solve the problem. And then revise the sketch with the supervisor. If the supervisor approve, then can proceed to the next step, and if he did not approve, need to draft a new design sketch. Okay, if the supervisor approve the sketch, can proceed to make 3D design using the SolidWorks software. Then simulate the design using SolidWorks software and Quest software to see if it works. And then can record the result and compare each simulation. Okay, for the expected result of the design, this is the design of the automatic bottle unscramble machine. First of all, we got the hopper, which is to hold the bottle supply before goes down to the rotary table, and then at the rotary table at the turntable, it will rotate so that the bottle will fall down one by one from the hopper, and then when the bottle fall down to the rotary table, it will rotate and bring the bottles to the sorting arm, and then it will reach the sprocket, which is to avoid the bottle from the sprocket is located beneath the hopper, which is to avoid the bottle from the hopper to stuck at the turntable when going to the rotary table. And then reach your exit flap. It is to make sure the bottle will flow in one direction and will not stuck. Then at the sorting arm, the tip of the bottle will goes inside the sorting arm, and the end it will become in upward position. This is to sort the bottle in upward position. Then the bottle will goes down through the chute, which is to transfer the bottles to the conveyor. And then at the conveyor, it will transfer the bottles to other section. Okay, for the conclusion, this project aims to design an automatic bottle unscramble machine which can increase the productivity and also the profit of the company. It also to reduce cost of the manual labor and also the cost that can be caused by the human error. And also to increase the bottle supply flow rate, which which can increase the productivity and also the demand. So problem and challenges for this project is first the COVID-19 pandemic, which is make it hard to conduct a physical research because of the movement control order MCO by the government. And also for the design is to determine the best and simple design mechanism which is less cost. It also includes all the material selection also. And for the solution is design a simple and cost effective machine which is can benefit the company without having to give out extra fund just to increase their productivity. So thank you very much. This is my presentation or proposal final year project. So if you have any inquiries, you may reach me at my phone number and my email. Thank you very much for listening.